The BNTouch Voice Module is an expansive, powerful addition to your BNTouch CRM. Using this feature, you can communicate with your borrowers and partners in more personal and direct methods than simple email and postcard marketing. This module allows you to send text messages to your leads, click on phone numbers in your CRM to call partners right from your computer, pre-record audio messages to send with your marketing campaigns, and more. This video focuses only on the settings and preferences available for the voice module in your Options tab of your CRM. To learn more about enabling or using this feature, please watch our BNTouch Voice Module training video. To configure preferences for the BNTouch Voice Module, open the Options tab of your CRM and click the BNTouch Voice Settings link. You can easily find this option by clicking the Modules category to the left. Please note that only administrative users can modify settings for the BNTouch Voice Module. If you need help changing these settings, please contact your administrator. Here, the various settings are separated into several sub-tabs, starting with Voice Home. This section will show you your currently assigned phone numbers, the dates of your current billing period, your plan allotment for call minutes and SMS messages, and the amount of those minutes and messages that you have used this billing period. You can also activate and deactivate the click-to-call feature using the checkbox here. Below, you can determine what phone numbers will be displayed to recipients of your calls and SMS messages sent from BNTouch Voice. You can use your own phone number for the call ID, or you can purchase numbers for calls or SMS messages. Your calls and messages will be routed through these numbers. You can find phone numbers to use for the caller ID field in the Phone Numbers tab. If you choose to use your own number for the caller ID field, it can be validated using the button below. The SMS ID is assigned by BNTouch and cannot be changed. In addition, you can use the checkboxes below SMS ID to choose which SMS messaging buttons will appear in your CRM, which incoming messages will be saved to client records, and whether to shorten URL links in your SMS messages. By default, incoming text messages to an assigned number will be logged only to records of users with that assigned number. If the Log to All Users box is checked, the system will instead look through records belonging to all users to find a matching record. The text fields below are used to set necessary compliance phrasing for SMS messages that you send, both individually and via campaign steps. If you change any information in this section, please be sure to click the Update Preferences button below to save your work before navigating away. In the My Recordings sub-tab, you can record voice messages that can be used elsewhere in your CRM. This page will have a list of all recordings that you currently have ready to use. To start a new recording, just click the New Recording button above the list. Using your computer microphone, record a message that you would like to have available to send to clients and partners. Enter a name for the recording file, then choose which users in your account will have access to it. You can listen to these recordings using the Play button to the right, and you can remove unwanted recordings using the Delete link. If you change any recording names or sharing settings, click Update to save your changes. The Call and SMS Logs sub-tab allows you to review all phone calls and text messages that have been sent via BNTouch Voice for a time period you select from the drop-down menu. This includes details about what user sent the message and when, what type of message was sent, who sent it to whom, call duration and SMS status information, and any associated costs for the message. Below the report, you can check the total call cost for all messages in the selected time period. You can also see what users in your account have been using BNTouch Voice in the Usage Summary sub-tab. Here, you can view how many SMS messages and calls have been sent for each user in the current and previous month and year. These users will be organized by user group, and you can view group total messages in the row below each group. In the Phone Numbers Assignment subtab, you can see which phone numbers from the Voice Home tab have been assigned to various users in your account. Numbers can be assigned to a user by clicking the action icon to the right, and numbers can be removed using the checkboxes to the left and the Remove Phone Number Assignments button. If you have several users to track, you can refine the list using the drop-down menus above to see only those with specific assignment numbers or those from specific states. The User drop-down menu can also be used to search by typing into the search box above. Registering and assigning multiple phone numbers from various area codes can be a very helpful way to reach your clients. You can assign several state-based numbers to a user, and when that user sends messages to clients or partners, BNTouch Voice will automatically select a local number based on the state of the recipient. This will make your text messages and calls seem local and improve the rate of successful receipt. Please note that additional phone numbers will incur additional charges to your monthly bill. If you have several users but do not use personal phone numbers for each user, be sure to not assign the default number to only a single user here. Otherwise, the other users in your account will not be able to send or receive messages. To manage which phone numbers are assigned to your account, open the Phone Numbers subtab. Each number you have associated with your BNTouch voice calls and texts will appear here with the date and time they were assigned. You can release numbers you no longer use by clicking the Action menu to the right, and you can acquire new numbers by clicking the Purchase New Number button above the list. When you click the Purchase New Number button, you will be prompted to enter an area code you would like to use. Clicking Search will display a list of available phone numbers in that area code. You can then use the checkboxes to the left and the Purchase Selected Numbers button below to add them to your phone number list. Please note that each additional phone number assigned to your account will accrue an additional monthly cost. Lastly, you can view a list of all marketing campaign triggers that are tied to SMS text message content in the SMS Triggers subtab. Triggers listed here will activate marketing campaigns for clients and partners who text you specific words or phrases. Each SMS trigger will display below with a campaign name and type, the trigger conditions, its creator, and when it was created. You can edit or delete any of these triggers using the Action menu to the right. To add a new SMS trigger, click the Add Trigger button. You will then be able to choose a campaign to activate from the drop-down menu. In the Users menu, choose which of your user accounts will trigger this campaign upon receiving an SMS text message. Next, you can enter the text that will trigger the campaign if the SMS message contains or exactly matches the listed characters. Once finished, click the Add Trigger button to save the campaign trigger. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.